Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually connect Pinterest and Shopify. It's pretty easy, but it just to make sure I created this step-by-step tutorial how you can create it easily and correct. So you are basically getting the most of it and you can actually see how it's done in this video. I'm Michaela and I'm Pinterest Manager and Strategist. I'm here to show you how you can actually use and scale your business using Pinterest for your e-commerce store or for your even like selling your digital products or even like physical products. So in this video, I want to show you the connection I really love. It's Shopify and Pinterest because they have the integration is so great that you can really use the full potential of Pinterest to sell your products and even more. Here we are in my business account. First thing I want to mention is you need to have business account on Pinterest to be able to connect your website to your shop, basically your e-commerce store, in this case, Shopify e-commerce store with Pinterest. If you don't have your domain, basically you don't have your website, or you maybe have Etsy or maybe using different platforms to sell your products, you cannot connect it with Pinterest because you don't have your own domain. So what I mean by that, it's like if you maybe have any kind of domain, like in this case, I have my e-shop, funfoodtravelgear.com. It's my domain. I bought it. And then I also have web hosting. So I can connect, and I created this, all my e-shop on my Shopify platform. So first thing is business account on Pinterest. Second is you have to have your domain. So basically you cannot connect it with, if you have, let's say, Etsy. And third step is to, of course, connect it with a Shopify account. This is the best integration, and sometimes you did it in the past, and what happens, and sometimes happens to my clients, that sometimes it disconnect, and then you are feeling like, okay, there's something wrong. And here in your profile, it will be basically written something like in red. It will say, okay, merchant status approved, conversions happy. It will be not set, it will be set good setup. That's perfect. If you are set it like this, you don't have to watch this video anymore. If you have something red here, like it's need to be in setup or in progress, or it's not working, or wrong setup, something, it's usually it's red. You will see straight away when you log into your account. We are in the business hub on Pinterest account. So you will see this red button or some kind of like information. This is not connected. That means that if you might did it in the past or you never done it, then you need to do it right now to connect Shopify and Pinterest, so you will use the full potential of this integration. So let's say you are in the stage that you have something red here, or you just started with Pinterest. I'm going to show you how you can connect it with Shopify and Pinterest. So on the top right corner, you click here and you go to settings. So you want to go to settings, and then we're going to see how you can actually, also you can do it with the integration or manually. I definitely go to claim accounts, and I would definitely recommend to go with integration, because it's the easiest way, especially if you have Shopify. So because it will take all your products, also with create catalog, it will create a Pinterest tag, which is like a pixel for advertisement. So it's very easy integration, and it gives you the full potential of Pinterest and Shopify. So here, in this case, you would, here, if you are the first time here, or maybe you are coming back after some time, you will here see websites, and there is nothing here. Yeah, there is no connection, or maybe it's not even your website here. So if it's no connection or no claim website, no claim domain, you will have here, and you see Shopify, and then app settings, but you will have like open the app, yeah, or click on the app. So you will click on it, and you will go to this site. Shopify App Store. Basically, I already have downloaded before, so of course I have it here, button open, but you will have it downloaded. It's for free, and it's pretty easy to just click here, download it, and open the app. It will take you to your store in Shopify. So you know that it will open like this, Shopify admin, and here you see Pinterest. Pinterest setting in your Shopify admin dashboard. Here, you won't have connected this account. So make sure you have Pinterest business account. You will have here connect your Pinterest account. Yeah, you see already here I have it connected. So now, of course, I don't want to disconnect it, but you will have here connect again, or might have like some kind of red here. It was disconnected, connect again. So you make sure you are on your Pinterest account and you are login. Then you open here and connect again. In the next stage, will ask you connect Pinterest account and Shopify account, and you say, yes, I agree. And it will go to this. It should be like this: claim websites, you connected Shopify domains. It's basically claim website on Pinterest. So you have your business Pinterest account, and you see here everything is checked. Primary website, it's claimed. All is good, and I am ready to go. It will also, you can click here on marketing. It will, of course, set up your Pinterest tag for you automatically with the integration. And you see here your product feed, which means product catalog on Pinterest, which is great because it automatically creates product pins for you. And they are like basically on Pinterest without creation. They are there, and then people can actually buy things from you on Pinterest without actually creating the pins. So here is it. That's how it should look like. All set. You can go back to Pinterest and verify if this should be here. My website on Shopify, funfoodtravelgear.com, myshopify.com is the same thing. It's basically should be as a claim account, claim domain on your Pinterest business account. And it also looks like this. If you click on the main page, this website has been claimed. You see here, that's my website, that's my shop, and it means Shopify and Pinterest business account are connected, and that's what we want. This is how you can claim your website, your e-commerce store, Shopify, and Pinterest. And sometimes, as I said at the beginning of this video, it will disconnect for no reason. So if you see something weird on the top when you come and log into your Pinterest business account, you see something weird like red, not connected, and then it's disconnected. Click, do this again, like step by step, follow this process, connect it again in Shopify to make sure you have also your product catalog, your Pinterest tag, and everything connected. So it's not only about the domain, but also all these full features you have with the Shopify integration with Pinterest. If you like my videos, subscribe here, because every week we have new videos, not only about Pinterest for business, but also tips, what kind of email marketing platforms I recommend, or maybe like video tips or Canva, like you saw in other videos. So subscribe here. Every week we have new videos, and thank you for watching my channel, and I see you next week.